When a person falls using a conventional lanyard harness, they will be prevented from falling to the floor, which could exacerbate their potential injuries. They may be left hanging up to 20 feet in the air, suspended by only the harness, unable to rescue themselves or to be rescued by others. By the very nature of the lanyard system, the fall is arrested instantly, causing severe strain on the body with the impact of stopping immediately. There is potential for spine damage and being catapulted back towards the object you have fallen from, causing further potential injury. Being hung or suspended in the air can lead to suspension trauma or orthostatic intolerance. This is a natural human reaction to being upright and immobile, where a complex combination of blood pooling in the legs and cardiorespiratory restriction leads to unconsciousness. This can be caused by suspension in a harness, deliberate or accidental, or any situation where someone is forced to stay upright without the ability or room to move. If it is allowed to develop unchecked, it can be fatal in a very short time. The development of a unique Cambrian Soft Arrest System, a fall arrest system which does not exert undue stress on the falling person. At first, the harness can be easily attached to any worker by simply adjusting the 3 buckles. What makes the Cambrian Soft Arrest System so unique is that from putting the harness on, attaching to the overhead unit and releasing from the system should there be a fall can all be done by the worker themselves. The attachment to the rail infrastructure is also unique, allowing maximum access to the train or vehicle for maintenance whilst affording maximum protection for the falling operator. The soft arrest unit runs freely on the overhead track, allowing the worker to move safely and securely, with ease of access to all parts of the train without the need to constantly unclip and reattach themselves. Should there be a fall, the Cambrian Soft Arrest System lowers you slowly to the ground, eliminating the risk of orthostatic intolerance and minimizing the risk of injury. Unlike the conventional lanyard harness, the worker will not be left suspended in the air and will not require any assistance to be released from the system. The worker can then detach themselves from the soft arrest unit with ease, before returning to work unharmed.
If a person falls using a conventional harness, whilst the fall is arrested immediately, it may cause severe strain on the body, and the impact of stopping immediately can lead to suspension trauma or orthostatic intolerance, which is a natural reaction to being upright and immobile. A complex combination of blood pooling in the legs, build-up of toxicity and cardiorespiratory restriction leads to unconsciousness and potentially death. It can happen in a very short space of time, as little as 3 minutes. The Cambrian Soft Arrest System, as you can see from the video, is different. If you fall, then applying simple, gentle, safe braking technology, the system gently and immediately assumes control of your descent without any jerkiness or flexing of the spine. It simply and softly lowers you to the floor without causing further damage or suspension trauma.
The Cambrian Group is a vertically integrated group of companies, all specialising in a specific market sector of the rail industry. Established in 1995, we now have offices in Gloucestershire, London, Ireland, Cornwall and South Wales. The group employs some 28 persons. In addition, we employ known, competent, audited, professional subcontract specialists in both construction and electrical specialities. We cover a broad spectrum of disciplines, but have majored in providing innovative, sustainable, cost-effective solutions to both existing and new problems.
Cambrianco covers a broad spectrum of disciplines, and we have majored in providing innovative, sustainable, cost-effective solutions to both existing and new problems in the rail industry. This is evidenced by our developments with the complete turnkey depot solutions as a principal contractor for Network Rail, where every component, including the Cambrian modular maintenance inspection pit and building, is both innovative in design, sustainable and can be relocated when its scheduled use is completed, assisting the business case for capital investment. The development of the unique Cambrian Soft Arrest System that we've seen earlier in the video is a major innovation in rail safety that allows safe working for personnel on and about rail vehicles, especially when working at height. Cambrianco has assembled a strong team of engineering staff, generally members of the various institutions, the Institution of Civil Engineers, the Institution of Mechanical Engineers and the Institution of Railway Signal Engineers, with proven practical railway experience and a diverse range of expertise.
Should you require any further information, please do not hesitate to contact us or visit us online at www.cambrianco.co.uk.